Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT X19s, and today I'll show you how to move files from your phone to an SD card or vice versa. So to get started, I'll actually capture a couple of screenshots just so I have something to move. There we go, 2 is good enough. Okay, so to get started, we'll want to find our Files application. Oh, there we go. So Files. So from here, once you scroll down, you should see your 2 storages at the bottom. As you can see, we have the internal storage, which is the storage of the phone itself, and then below that we have the SD card, which I added in. So I'm gonna start with the internal storage, which will contain everything that the phone saved onto itself. And we check the DCIM folder. We have a camera folder in here, and as you can see, there's a bunch of photos in here. The DCIM folder is basically the location that the phone saves photos and videos captured with the device itself. Now, if we go back, we'll also find the downloads folder, which will contain anything that I've downloaded on the device, and then below that we will have pictures folder, which will contain screenshots. And those are probably all the worth mentioning folders. Everything else on here is usually just empty. So anyway, let's start off by selecting our files. I'll be using those screenshots that I have captured. So once you find your files, you can simply hold them to select them, as you can see. So once you hold and it selects the first one, you can then quickly tap on additional files if you want to select more than one. And once you have them selected, click on the 3 dots and choose to either move them or copy them. And the choice is yours. It really depends on what you want to do. I'll be going with move, which will remove them from where they are right now and move them to a new location. Now, no matter which option you choose, you'll get this pop-up at the bottom, so select where you want to move or copy those files to. So internal storage would basically just allow me to move it somewhere else on the phone, but I'll be selecting SD card anyway. And as you can see, this is all the folders that are on the SD card, so you can either move it into one of those 2, you can move it just straight up into the SD card without actually going into a folder. You can create your own folder if you want to, which you just click right here and name it. But again, I'm not gonna bother doing any extra steps. I'm just gonna move it straight to the SD card. Allow, and there we go. As you can see, the files were removed from here, and now I can find them on the SD card right here with a bunch of other screenshots. So anyway, this is how you could transfer files, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.